Rockin' like a hurricane. Woo-hoo. Rockin' like a hurricane. Okay, there's Hawk. Love my singing, right? Sure, need a record deal. Okay, start off with some simple stuff. This one's not hard to make, guys, and he uses rum Clemente. This is a rum agricole, okay, that he's pouring here. Pour that in. Beautiful. Come behind that with some cognac. All right. Followed up with some passion fruit liqueur. Nice. Come behind that with some cranberry juice. Excelente. Fresh squeeze lemon juice. This one's simple as far as mixology goes. You could make this one at home. Just getting yourself a couple nice cool ingredients. Shake, 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 shake. This doesn't require any special syrups or any crazy infusions, okay? So this is pretty straightforward. You get the drink all over him. That's how he is, okay? Crushed ice, and then we just strain in our drink and we are good to go. Express an orange, okay? Stick our little garnishes in. Oh, beautiful. And there you have it. What's it called, Hawk?
It's Rock You Like a Hurricane.
My boy, and his musical twist. Okay, how'd you come up with this one?
Well, this is my take on a hurricane cocktail, a good old-fashioned New Orleans favorite. So instead of using rum, I'm using cognac and a rum agricole. Hit it with the passion fruit, the orange, the cranberry. Simple. The lemon.
You Hennessy boys are there. You could get away with Hennessy.
1738, but Hennessy's better.
Okay. Okay, come here. I want you to taste this and tell us what you taste.
Oh,
okay. Man. Don't come on, man. It's your damn drink.
Oh, bro. I could drink like 8 of those and be fucked up.
What do you taste? What do you taste just now?
It's like a punch. It's literally like a punch. So it's like hot day, you get the citrus, you're getting sweetness, you're getting the alcohol. It's like if you're like sitting in the heat, this is the one. This is what you need to drink.
Okay, you're a musical guy.
Right.
Which song describes this drink?
I just said it's Rock You Like a Hurricane.
No, you gotta pick another song. You already sang that. So what other song describes this drink?
1738, Remy Boys, you know, I'm just saying, I have to go with
Okay, that's the song right there. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, that's what he just did.
Oh man, why can I remember Fetty Wap song?
Okay, we just go. What?
All right,
We just go.
It's delicious.
Okay, we can just go with Rock You Like a Hurricane.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's a delicious drink. It's tropical.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Very much so.
Love it. And
delicious.
brandy based, okay? Because he got the cognac in here. For those of you who don't know, cognac is a brandy, okay?
And rum.
And rum. What kind of rum is this?
Rum agricole.
Okay, rum agricole. That's different. That's rum that's usually made from like flowers and stuff like that, right?
It's delicious. It's a little more earthier.
Okay.
So.
Because you got a couple different kinds of rum. You got regular rum, you got your cachaça, and you got rum agricole. Anyway, okay, Google all that, brush up. So check out my boy Hawk on Instagram at Cocktails by Hawk. Y'all can ask him for hair tips. That shit getting bigger, man. Seriously.
It's still same to me. I don't know. I wake up, it's like this.
True. All right. Anyway, stay tipsy.